Oh, that is a squirrel sitting on that tree branch. That's what I thought. Okay. Been sitting there for a while. Why do peppers make us burp? Because I just had the last half red pepper and I'm already burping right away. It's not like a long time later, it's immediately. We burp. Why? I don't know. Morning class went well. We'll see how the afternoon class goes. I'm giving them a task before anything else. So they will be shocked. Actually, the one downstairs who stays for the afternoon class, her eyes widened when she saw that. I put on the board, task. Hey, I did that last night. I didn't do anything else, so I'm not going to waste my efforts. I could have been doing a workout. Hey, squirrel. That was a different squirrel. It's definitely a really windy day. Where did I put my list? I made that list this morning. I'm sure it's somewhere very obvious. Right out in the open. That's okay, I remember everything I have to do. Or at least I will as soon as I see the list. Walmart. Place beside Bed Bath & Beyond. Take my knives to the mall. Get our lottery tickets. All those things. And figure out what to have for supper. Because it's just me and my son until Sunday morning. And usually on a Friday night, we do something else. So maybe we'll do pizza again. And then we'll have some food for the rest of the week. I'll just get a big pizza and we'll eat until he'll have the half a pizza and I'll have half the pizza. And or we'll get 2 small pizzas. Yeah, anyway, whatever. I'm sure there's something else on my list, which I will have to remember when I read my list.